Hey guys, welcome to the video. This is going to be an unboxing of Fantasy Life for Nintendo 3DS. It's by Level 5. Here's a close-up of the box art, case art. Here's the back. They have all the different professions that you can be lined up on the bottom. Supports both Street Pass and local play. This game is basically kind of like a marriage between a life sim game as well as a RPG, maybe light RPG. Fantasy Life is more like a little bit like Animal Crossing mixed in with I guess Skyrim. Although Skyrim is going to be, obviously a lot more detailed or deep. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be doing an impressions video later on once I start it up. But yeah, it's kind of like you can be whatever job you want, whatever profession. I believe you can even dodge doing combat at all throughout the game. And you kind of just like live in this world and explore it and, play with your friends. And yeah, you could just be a, blacksmith or whatever you want to be. That's right, the code is not an insert anymore. Here's the instruction manual. It's pretty cool. These days, games don't really have crazy instruction manuals like before. But, it's always cool to see something like this included in the game. Here's the game card, game cart. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. That's pretty much Fantasy Life for the 3DS. Stay tuned if you like these kind of videos. I'll be doing some impressions later on. And yeah, thanks. Have a good day.